what you see on the screen is over 2 million naira, and this is payment that have come into my Paystack account. So if you're looking for a way to make money online for yourself, watch this video till the end. So one good way you can actually make money online for yourself is by learning a digital skill. Okay, so you can learn digital skill like web designing, graphic designing. YouTube also pays, so you can actually learn how to create videos on YouTube for you to start making money online. So if you're interested in all of these things, you need to watch this video. So like I said, you need to first of all learn a digital skill. Once you have that skill, then you go ahead to market yourself or market the skill to people that are interested in, that will pay you for this your skill. Okay, so you need to be in front of those people. Now how can you do this? First of all, like I said, learn a skill. So you can come over to YouTube here and learn how to make different things. You can learn how to create a website, you can learn digital marketing, you can learn SEO, you can also learn how to create videos on YouTube to start making sales. Okay, so once you've learned the skill, now you need to market it. And one good way you can market this skill is by you showing up on those places your customers or your potential clients will be on, which is also for instance, your potential clients are on social media, they are online, they are on YouTube as well. So make sure you actually leverage all of these things. Okay, so now if you have been looking for a way to make money, I think this video is actually going to help you, build you, and also guide you on some kind of things that you are going to do that is actually going to help you. So like I was saying, after you've learned a skill, you need to be in front of those people. Now I will always advise you to also get a website. Now either you are selling services or digital products, these are ways you can actually make money. So let me show you a few things on my screen right now so that we can actually go together and see exactly how we can actually help ourselves. So like I said, if you have learned a skill, or if you're looking to sell services, or you're looking to sell digital products in order for you to make money, then one good way to get digital products that you can be able to sell is by using this platform called PLR platform. So let me just do a quick Google search and search for PLR products. Okay, so this PLR products is private label right products. That means you can actually make use of the products you find on this platform to start selling to anybody. So one good PLR product website I know is this one, freeplrdownloads.com. So that means you can actually download high quality PLR products and sell them on your own digital or your own website and keep 100% of the profit. Don't worry, keep watching, I'm going to guide you. Okay, so the goal is for us to be able to start making money, so watch it. Okay, so these are products. So if you look up here now, you see that we have ebooks, softwares, videos, orders, and we have frequently asked questions, we have download tutorials, legal notice, and privacy policy. So if I go to softwares, if I go to PLR softwares, and we are going to have access to PLR products that can be downloaded for free and that we can resell and keep 100% of the money. So that way we did not create this digital products, but we have this digital product now when we can sell it. And mind you, these are high quality digital products. Now you might ask yourself, why would somebody create a digital product like a software or an ebook or a video and give it out to other people to sell? Why don't those people that buy it, can't they just come to the same website and get them for free? But you need to understand something, that information is power. Not everybody knows about PLR products. I'm sure probably you might be hearing it for the first time, or even you know about it, but maybe you don't know exactly how to get it. So not everybody knows all these things. So that is why you need to leverage. You are not selling fake items. You are selling good items, high quality items to people that will solve problems for them. And why not you sell this thing and collect money for it? Okay, collect money for selling them these services. So that is the difference between a rich person and a poor person. The difference between these two people is information. Okay, so what this person knows that this person does not know. So you thinking why people that these products you might not be able to sell them because people can just come here and still get the products for free. Not everybody knows about PLR platforms. Okay, so but now I'm bringing it to you because this thing actually works. Okay, so you can actually make use of this strategy, if you know exactly what you're doing, and start making sales for yourself. Okay, so now if you get this site, you're going to see that we have so many tools. So let me look at this one, Spam Learner Pro. So this is a software. Now if you look at the description here, it's actually going to describe it. As you can see, I said introducing Spam Learner Pro. This software can teach you on how to protect you from what you consider to be spam. Okay, so it's going to explain what the product is all about, and you're going to see this license, unrestricted private label rights. That means it has no restriction. Okay, so you can sell it and keep 100% of the money. So source file included, e-cover included, sales page included, squeeze page not included, operating system Windows, file 14.1 MB. So guys, this is exactly what we are talking about. So you can actually now go ahead, scroll down, you're going to see this download button here. So we can actually download this PLR product onto our system. Now once we have downloaded this PLR product onto our system, now then we can be able to start marketing it and start selling it in order for us to start making money. Now what I'm sharing with you is an idea. Okay, so you still need to calm down, learn it very well, still check what works, what kind of products are selling best, or what kind of products will solve a particular kind of problems. Okay, so you still need to do your due diligence in order for you to know all of these things, so that you can be able to activate them to make sure you're getting even more and more sales. Okay, very 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 important. Now once we have this website files downloaded onto our system, one easy way you can do this thing is by selling it. Now how can you sell it? You can sell it from using Google Sites or using seller. But let me just go ahead, let's go to Google Sites and let me show you exactly how you can actually set this thing up for success. Okay, so now that we have this Google Sites, so we can actually make use of anyone. So you can start from blank canvas, or I have some other ones here, so you can actually start from them and then we proceed. So guys, this is actually a very fantastic these are actually very fantastic ways that you can actually make money for yourself. So now that we are here, let me just use this platform. So if for instance I want to make use of this platform to start selling, okay, so I've come to Google Sites, I've set up my logo or my text here, I've added my header, I'll make sure everything is working, my footer is good. So now these are the products, let's say these are the products we want to sell. Okay, so right now I've already added them, but if you don't know how to add them, it's simple. Just come over here, select whichever container you want to add. Once you selected the container you want to add, everything looks good, you can then add it here and then add the picture, add the title, a little description, and a buy now button. Now this buy now button is going to redirect them to the sales page of the ebook or the software you just downloaded from the free PLR products that you just downloaded. Now what that means is, for instance, if I've come to this PLR products page website, we have taken this one and we're interested, then we come to this text space place and then we upload the image here, we upload the price, and then for the buy now button we can make use of several payment gateways. So we can make use of Flutterwave, we can make up Stack, Paystack, and we can make use of PayPal. We can also make use of Stripe. Very 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 important. So in my case, I just wanted to just go simple, so you use Paystack. So you just go ahead, scroll down, click on payment pages. Now once you create a payment page, you are going to have it. Okay, so the payment page will serve as the product page. So whenever they click on buy now, they are going to be directed to pay they're going to be directed to Paystack, and after they have made payment, then they can be able to now access the file that they just paid for. This is actually a smart business idea, especially if you know exactly what you're doing. So that's exactly why I am bringing it to your notice now. PLR products, your Google Sites with your Paystack embedded on it, having it together. Make sure you know how to market it, get sales, and you make good money for yourself. So this is exactly what I've been trying to show you guys. If you don't understand anything, the comment section is always there for you to tell me in the comment, and I'll try my possible best to answer any kind of question that you might be getting. So guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. in the next couple of videos, I'm going to also be sharing with you some other fantastic ideas that you can actually use in order for you to make money for yourself. Now, if you have done all these steps, you have search for PLR products, you've gotten it, and you have you have created your Google site account. You have created a wonderful site on Google Sites, added it here, and then added an about us, added a link that will direct people to your payment page. Once you have done all of these things, then what you need to do is to relax and keep promoting your products. Okay, so once you finish this step, you can even continue other step by making sure you are on place, or you are right on track with everything you are doing. Guys, this is actually a very good method for you to start making sales, or for you to start selling as quick as possible, because if you relax and you don't do anything, no result will come for you. But if you actually take action and make sure you're putting up every day, then you have a lot of things to talk about, or to be happy for. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful. You've been able to get one or two information. If you want me to talk about any other thing, tell me in the comment section. If there's something I said that you don't understand, tell me in the comment section, and I will gladly help you. Okay, so thank you very much for helping. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you on another video. Thank you.